In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion database to Notion Calendar. We'll move step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, your Notion workspace and Notion Calendar will be connected, and your databases will be ready to use directly inside the calendar. First, open Notion Calendar on your computer. At the top of the calendar window, look for a small arrow icon, usually near the calendar name or view options. Go ahead and click that arrow. This opens a menu with more detailed options for how your calendar behaves and what it's connected to. From that menu, choose the option called View Settings. This is where you control what you see on your calendar, including which accounts and workspaces are linked. Clicking View Settings will open a dedicated settings panel or window. Inside that panel, switch to the section labeled General Settings. This is the main hub for configuring your Notion calendar connection. If you ever need to change things later, this is the place you'll come back to. Within General Settings, look for an option that says Add Notion Workspace. Click that. What you're doing here is telling Notion Calendar that you want to link it to one of your Notion workspaces so it can access databases like tasks, projects, or content calendars. Next, you'll see a button or prompt that says Connect Notion Workspace. Click on that to start the actual connection process. This will usually open a Notion authorization page in your browser or within the app. On that authorization screen, Notion will explain that Notion Calendar is requesting access to your workspace. Review the information, and when you're ready, click Allow Access. This is a required step so that your databases can be synced and displayed in the calendar. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're allowing access to the one that holds the databases you care about. After you click Allow Access, just follow the on-screen prompts. These may include choosing which workspace to connect, selecting specific pages or databases, or confirming that the connection was successful. Take a moment to read each screen so you know exactly what you're enabling. Once you've completed those prompts, your Notion workspace will be connected to Notion Calendar. From here, you can start selecting and displaying your databases inside the calendar view, and your events and database items will stay in sync going forward.